He didn't even have the ball cocked and ready to go.
Here we go. Dalton going for it all. Tipped in the air. Caught by the Bengals. A.J. Green.
What a mistake by the Ravens. You swat the ball down. You don't pop it up. Right there, Ihedebo, I'm not sure what he was thinking. He's the last guy, and that ball's on its way to the ground, and he sticks out his left hand and knocks it up into the air. Right there. It's like, it looked like Ihedebo was playing volleyball.